I'm going to show you how I made my homemade Comfrey salve. So let's get started. And here's the ingredients we're going to use. We're going to use 2 ounces of beeswax, 0.2 ounces of comfrey leaf. I grinded it all together to powder. It was a leaf. I grinded it down to powder. And then you're going to need 2 cups of castor oil. Pure cold pressed castor oil. Okay, now I got my water boiling for the double boiler. We're going to go over here to the bowl. First, put your beeswax in there. Make sure you get all of them. Then you're going to take the castor oil and pour it all in there. Now I like to get it all, so I'm going to use my favorite spatula I like.
Actually mine.
And I'm going to scoop it all out. She got it from me, y'all.
Wait, how?
Did she try to do everything I did? Yes, she did. Ask any of her siblings, they'll tell you. She wanna be like me.
I always try to be like myself.
Now, that's the best way to be, daughter. Now that you got all your ingredients, got those 2 ingredients in there, you're gonna start mixing it in, and you're gonna let this melt. Take some time, and you're gonna let this melt. Once this melts, I'll be right back. All right, now while we waiting on the beeswax to melt, these are the jars I'm gonna put them in. They are 6-ounce jars. Them measurements I just gave you will fill up 4 6-ounce jars for you, and if you got smaller sizes, more. But I'm gonna give you some benefits of Comfrey. I made this for my husband. He's paraplegic, and it helps with his muscle cramps. It heals the bone from the outside in. It heals the ligaments. It has a lot of healing properties to it. We put it on him 3 times a day, and it's been working wonders for him. So look it up and see the benefits of it. Also, with that castor oil incorporated, it's even more benefits to it that help the body. So now we're gonna go back over here and check on the beeswax. All right, it's getting there. It's getting there. You make sure every little beeswax pebble is melted down where you just see nothing but clear oil. Have your burner on low. Don't do it on high, because you can burn the oil like that. So you like to let it slow burn. And when you stir it up, as you can see, they're starting to dissolve away. So, all right, now our mixture is all melted down. Now you're going to add in your comfrey. You're going to mix that in real good. Get them sides. Once you get that blended in really good, sometimes the powder tries to clump up. Get it in there. Your mixture is going to turn green. All right, now that our mixture is ready, it's time to fill the can.
You get it all anyway too.
You take the rest of it, you have a little bit left, try to fill up to the top. Get all that goodness up in there. Alright. And now we're back. I let these sit overnight. You see how they are? Firm. Now all you gotta do, cap them. I got 2 orders already, so 2 of these are already sold. And I'm gonna give you a demonstration before we go using the bun. Alright, this is my husband, so we've been running through it. take it, do a little bit on your hand. Nice and greasy. I think I used a little bit too much because my hands is really greasy. But I'm just going to take it and add it to my neck and my back because it helps with arthritis as well. But here you go. Homemade comfrey with castor oil.